So one of the things that affects us in the winter, especially at the moment, is respiratory conditions, chest infections, coughs and respiratory viruses. One of the things that we can do to help reduce all of these conditions is an ancient form of therapy called halotherapy.
So to simply perform this ancient therapy, all you got to do is breathe salt out of the lungs, and this helps dramatically reduce the amount of toxins in there, but also improve the general condition of the lungs, so things such as asthma, bronchitis, just any breathing condition in general. And it also helps boost the immune system.
This form of therapy was actually discovered in the 1800s by the Polish salt miners, but was originally used for thousands of years previous to that by Eastern cultures as part of their natural medicine systems. In the 1800s, the Polish salt miners, when tested, were actually found to have better conditioned lungs and skin than not only other kinds of miners, but actually better than the general public.
So you can imagine, it's 1800, you go to your local doctor with some form of breathing condition. What you'd expect is to be prescribed some time to go and spend within the mines to help improve this condition. What they also found at the same time, horses that worked in the mine had a much substantial, much better, healthier life than horses did above the ground.
One of the simplest and easiest ways to help to benefit from this brilliant ancient therapy is to get a salt inhaler. Inside these salt inhalers are Himalayan salt crystals, which when we put in and breathe in, it actually gets the salt air into our lungs.
So it's important we look at the current climate that we're stuck in at the moment. There's respiratory disease out there that's affecting a lot of people. So what we recommend is we use one of these every single day. Make it become a habit, a routine that we take part every day to help and boost our immune system, but also to combat conditions such as asthma, allergies, bronchitis, COPD, anything that generally affects this area, but also it'll improve our general immune system overall.
So using a salt inhaler for a couple of breaths a day can really have a massive effect on the immune system, the health of the lungs. But if you don't have one of these or you can't get one, and something else that you can do is go to the beach. Fortunately, we live in Hartlepool, so we're right near the sea, so we get to spend time walking along the beach and breathing in the salt air.
And this is why we always feel better when we go for a walk, specifically on holiday. We get plenty of sun, sea, sangria, but most of all, salt air.